Python has a rich set of built-in string methods that can be used to manipulate and modify strings. Here are some commonly used string methods in Python. Len returns the length of the string. Strip removes any leading or trailing whitespace from the string. Lower converts all characters in the string to lowercase. Upper converts all characters in the string to uppercase. Capitalize converts the first character of the string to uppercase and the rest to lowercase. Replace old new replaces all occurrences of the old substring with the new substring in the string. Split splits the string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. Default is whitespace. Join iterable concatenates a list of strings into a single string, separated by the string on which it is called. Find substring searches for the first occurrence of the substring in the string and returns its index. Returns -1 if the substring is not found. Starts with prefix checks if the string starts with the specified prefix and returns true if it does, false otherwise. Ends with suffix checks if the string ends with the specified suffix and returns true if it does, false otherwise. Isalpha checks if all the characters in the string are alphabets and returns true if they are, false otherwise. Isdigit checks if all the characters in the string are digits and returns true if they are, false otherwise. Isalnum checks if all the characters in the string are alphanumeric and returns true if they are, false otherwise. Title returns a new string with the first letter of each word capitalized. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.